In today's video, I shall discuss the judgment dated 11/9/2013 by Honorable Supreme Court in the case of Hill Properties Limited versus Union Bank of India and others. It was a property law case and dealt with sections 40 and sections 9 to 12, section 54 and section 58 of Transfer of Property Act 1988. Honorable Supreme Court held that right of ownership over flat purchased by becoming shareholder to the extent of value of flat of a housing company or by becoming member to the extent of value of flat of a cooperative housing society. Its nature is such and the transferability and alienability of such right of ownership is such that there is restriction on transferability, alienability right of mortgage, sale or transfer of flat of such shareholder by articles of association or of such member by the bylaws of housing society. The Honorable Supreme Court dealt with the permissibility of such transfers. Facts in brief are that respondent number 5 obtained a flat by becoming shareholder of appellant housing company. Thereafter, respondent number 5 created a mortgage by depositing the share certificate by virtue of which it was allotted said flat with respondent bank. Thereafter, respondent bank secured an order of attachment of the said flat from DRT as there was a default in repayment of loan obtained by creating the said mortgage on the said flat. Resisting said attachment order, appellant housing company contending that all rights, title and interest in respect of the said flat remained exclusively vested in company and respondent number 5 only had right to use and occupy said flat and could not mortgage it without permission of company. Bank argued that value in share of housing company is nothing but value of flat and it could be transferred for consideration and hence said property which was mortgaged was liable to be attached. Honorable Apex Court held that multi-storied flats are being purchased by people either by becoming member of cooperative housing society or shareholders of housing company. Right of flat owner over said flat is exclusively that of his which is transferable and heirable, though he is bound by the bylaws of society or articles of association of company being member of either. Right or interest to occupy such flat since becomes a species of property. Honorable Supreme Court held that flat owner can sell, donate, leave by will or let out or hypothecate his right. Further held that such right can be taken away only by a statute, as articles of association of a company have no force of statute. Right of respondent number 5 to mortgage the said flat cannot be restricted by articles of association of the company. Hence, no interference is warranted with order of attachment of said flat issued by DRT. Appellant was granted liberty to invoke its right of reemption conferred by articles of association, but at not less than the market value of the said flat. The judgment also deals with the sections 91, 95, 96 and 58 of Registration Act and section 19 subsection B of Specific Relief Act.